Group huddle. Oh, Spencer. You're gonna just let everybody have their home. Come on. Come on, Ding Dong. Come here, bud. You come with me, buddy. Come on. Oh, you little pooper. He'll be along. He'll be along shortly. Sorry for all of the jiggling. I'm putting my mitten back on. Here's a true story. I wasn't planning on taking a walk this morning. What happened was, still wearing my pajamas, I got the garbage, trash down to the side of the road for a trash pickup. And I came back down the driveway and couldn't help but grab the dogs for a walk, still wearing my pajamas. And a jacket, obviously, and hat and mittens and boots. Whoa. I should have put my snowshoes on because I can't see where the ice is. Oh, leave it. Yeah, you're very cute. Except when you try to eat that, then you're not as cute. But you're still cute. Kind of want to go up there. But also, if I went up there, I would want to be wearing something a little sturdier than my pajamas, a little warmer. What are you doing, man? Tilly. Hey, Bruce, come on. Come on, Bruce. Come on, Spencer. Let's go this way. Hey, Till. Tilly, come here. Come on. She wants to come here, but she also doesn't want to come here. This is where that giant tree I took a short video of the other day when it fell in the last windstorm. It's right there. I have not shown you any of the drone footage yet of the solar farm that's just on the other side of all of this, but I've had to change the trails around a little bit, and I can't wait to check them out when we have a little bit more snow. How are you doing, Spencer? You happy, buddy? This area is also filled with ice that I cannot see. Hi, Skylar. Hello. And we have Bruce. You can go first there, girl. Come on. Hi, bud. Yeah, that's a good buddy. That's a good bud.